Do you need to generate more leads for your business? Everyone does. But how do you generate leads that really convert? Believe me, I've researched a lot. Many videos out there promised fast results, but most of them rely on questionable methods that often result in poor quality leads. In this video, we won't be showing you any magic tricks to get millions of leads overnight. Instead, we'll share 7 proven strategies to help you generate high quality leads that can actually make a difference to your business. I'm Erin at SiteGround, and today we're going to learn some proven lead generation strategies that will help you get warm leads for your business. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel via the bell below so that you don't miss any of our videos. Okay, let's dive right in. Generate more leads, quality versus quantity. Before we get into the lead generation tactics, let's first discuss why it's important to increase your lead quality and not just the quantity. It's tempting to think that the more leads you have, the better. But here's the thing, not all leads are created equal. Leads go through the marketing funnel, from awareness to consideration, and finally to conversion. But if the leads you're generating are cold or don't fit your ideal customer profile, it becomes much harder to guide them through this marketing funnel. If this is the first time you're hearing about the marketing funnel, or you simply want to learn more about it, leave us a comment below and we'll create a dedicated video. Focusing on lead quality ensures you're attracting prospects who are genuinely interested in your products or services. These are people who fit your target market and are more likely to convert, spend, and stay loyal over time. In contrast, chasing quantity often leads to wasted resources on cold or unqualified leads who have little interest in buying. Purchase databases, for example, often contain irrelevant or outdated contacts that won't yield the results you want. That's why you should avoid the sketchy videos or tactics that promise fast results, because they will almost certainly deliver low-quality leads. In the long run, quality leads save time and effort while bringing better results. To get your potential customers through the marketing funnel more easily, it's essential to look for and generate qualified leads. Now let's learn how to organically generate more leads for your business. Embed sign-up forms on your web pages. Begin by adding a sign-up form on your website. Most sign-up forms only ask for an email and oftentimes a first name. That said, this approach may not always help you qualify leads effectively, depending on your business. If you're focused on high-quality leads, it's important to ask for the information that will allow you to determine whether the lead is a good fit for your business. While it's true that shorter forms tend to get more submissions, it's useless to collect emails if you don't have enough context to follow up meaningfully. The key is to balance the number of questions with what's essential for you to qualify a lead. For example, freelancers might ask for project details or budget range to ensure the lead fits their services. A small e-commerce store may not need any information other than the email, while a local agency might want to know the location of their potential customers. By gathering the right information from the start, you'll save time and be able to focus your efforts on leads that are more likely to convert. Also, make sure to provide your visitors with an incentive to subscribe, whether that includes offering them weekly educational content, a special discount, or a newsletter. Sign-up forms are a great way to compile a list of potential customers, because people who sign up are already expressing interest in your brand. You can then nurture these leads by sending them more informational and promotional content, thus moving them closer to the conversion stage of the funnel. To create a sign-up form, you can code one from scratch on your website, hire a developer to do this for you, or you can make things extra easy by using SiteGround's lead generation plugin for WordPress. I'll leave the link in the description below. Step number 2, create landing pages. So you got your sign-up form, but now what? You can embed a sign-up form on any web page on your site. I recommend you choose pages that are most relevant in order to increase the chances of getting signups. These pages might include the home page, the product or sales pages, or my favorite, on a landing page. A landing page is a page that's solely focused on getting you a certain conversion without any other distractions. You can use a dedicated landing page to launch a new product or service, to offer a special discount, or to provide an email course, among other things. There are a couple of rules to follow when creating a landing page though, so check out our video about the perfect landing page. It'll teach you all the tips and tricks for making a landing page successful, like how to attract more potential and returning customers. Just one quick tip on landing pages before we move on. Once you create a landing page, you need to get people to actually land on it. This means you've got to actively promote it. Some promotion ideas include: use your social media channels to leverage both paid ads and organic posts. Add QR codes to flyers, brochures, or other marketing materials, and include a link to your landing page in your email campaigns. Step number 3, leverage downloadable assets. Next, make sure that you provide your potential customers with valuable and engaging content. Offering downloadable assets like ebooks, how-to guides, or case studies can serve as a powerful lead magnet to attract more subscribers to your list. Want to dive deeper into the topic of lead magnets? Drop us a comment below, and we will see if we can create a dedicated video on the topic. But about that content, creating it just isn't enough. It needs to provide real value. It's essential that any downloadable asset you offer is not just a surface-level resource, but something that's high quality, thoroughly researched, and written by knowledgeable experts in your field. The content should address your audience's pain points and offer actionable insights they can't easily find elsewhere. The more valuable and relevant the content, the more willing users will be to exchange their email addresses for it. Additionally, content should be tailored to your audience's specific needs and expectations. If you promise an ebook about digital marketing, make sure it covers a range of marketing topics, not just a narrow focus like SEO. Misleading content or failing to deliver on promises can erode trust and cause leads to disengage. Instead, focus on creating content that aligns with their interests at each stage of their journey. For example, if your target customers are small business owners, a guide on 10 proven strategies to grow your online store would be much more relevant than a generic guide on marketing tips. Similarly, offering case studies that highlight real-life examples of how businesses succeeded using your products can be incredibly persuasive. By crafting content that speaks directly to your leads' challenges and aspirations, you're far more likely to attract high-quality, engaged subscribers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Step number 4, provide email courses. Just like downloadable assets such as ebooks and guides, email courses are another excellent way to get more qualified leads. However, instead of a one-time download, email courses deliver structured and valuable content directly to a subscriber's inbox over a set period of days or weeks. This not only helps position your brand as an authority in your field, but also helps build trust with your audience over time. The concept is similar to downloadable content. Users give their email address in exchange for the course. But with an email course, they receive consistent, engaging content over time, which keeps them connected to your brand longer. The extended interaction requires more commitment from the lead, meaning that those who sign up are often more engaged and invested in your offerings. By delivering content in smaller, digestible chunks, you stay top of mind, increasing the chances of converting these leads into paying customers down the road. To incorporate email courses into your website, you can use the same methods as for downloadable assets, such as a dedicated landing page, homepage banner, pop-up windows, or blog posts. If you don't know where to start, we've put together a super helpful video on email marketing for beginners. Make sure to check it out. Meanwhile, SiteGround offers a really easy-to-use platform that will help you bring all your email campaigns to life. I'll link to it in the description below so you can give it a try. Step number 5, organize or take part in events. Organizing events, whether online, like webinars and virtual classes, or offline, like in-person workshops, meetups, and conferences, is a powerful way to generate more qualified leads. When people sign up for these events, they're already demonstrating interest in your topic or industry. This makes them far more likely to be engaged and valuable leads. By asking for an email address during registration, you capture contact information from people who are genuinely interested and willing to invest their time to learn more from you. Additionally, events provide a platform to showcase your products, services, and expertise while building brand awareness. They also create opportunities to foster trust with potential buyers, which increases the likelihood of converting these leads into paying customers. That said, organizing events can be expensive, and it might not fit everyone's budget. If hosting your own event is beyond your means, consider sponsoring an event instead. Sponsorship gives you access to attendees who visit your booth or see your brand, allowing you to collect leads without the full cost of running the event yourself. Alternatively, if even sponsorship is a stretch, you can still benefit by simply attending events. Networking at industry gatherings is a great way to meet potential customers, exchange contacts, and build relationships that can lead to future sales. Step number 6, use social media. Another highly effective lead generation marketing tactic is leveraging social media channels. Maximize the potential of your social media platforms with organic posts, paid ads, and giveaways. Share engaging snippets of your products or services alongside valuable content to encourage your followers to become subscribers. You can run giveaways in your organic posts to create excitement and encourage sharing, which helps expand your reach. For example, you can offer your best-selling product or the newest one. This not only sparks interest, but also motivates followers to sign up and get more involved with your brand. Be sure to include strong calls to action, guiding users to sign up through a link. Paid ads are another great option for targeting specific demographics and ensuring that your message reaches those most likely to be interested in your offerings. You can use paid ads to promote downloadable assets like guides, checklists, or email courses, and direct users to landing pages where they can sign up and access these resources. When people interact with your social media content, they're showing clear interest in what you have to offer. Use this opportunity to guide them to the next step. Step number 7, implement a referral program. Still looking for more ways to generate qualified leads? Implementing a referral program is one of the most powerful tactics to drive even more high-quality leads. This modern version of word-of-mouth marketing leverages your existing customer base to bring in new prospects who already trust and are interested in your brand. When your current customers refer others, they are essentially vouching for your products or services. These referred leads come with a higher level of trust, as they are recommended by someone they already know and trust. People are more likely to engage with a brand that's been recommended by someone in their network. What's more, your customers are likely to refer people who would truly benefit from your offerings, ensuring that these leads are closely aligned with your target audience. They are more likely to convert because they come with an implicit endorsement. To incentivize your customers to refer others, consider offering rewards for each successful referral. Discounts, cash back, or other exclusive offers can be highly effective incentives. This creates a win-win situation. Your customers are rewarded for helping you grow your business, and you get pre-qualified leads who are more likely to become loyal customers. Indeed, your customers are your best advocates. That's why many brands offer discounts or even cash back as a thank you for their efforts in helping you generate new leads. Now, with all these tips and tricks up your sleeve, lead generation doesn't seem so difficult after all, does it? Choose the ones that best fit your business, industry, and needs and start implementing them right away. And from there, you'll see qualified leads come your way. If you enjoyed our lead generation tutorial, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.